In the ever-evolving toolkit of project managers, the choice of collaboration and communication software can make or break a project's success. Two names that frequently come up in discussions about team efficiency are ClickUp and Slack. Both are designed to boost productivity, but they approach the challenge from fundamentally different angles. This often leads to the question, is ClickUp better than Slack? As a project management expert, I'll tell you that it's not a simple yes or no. Instead, it's about understanding their core strengths and how they align with your team's specific needs, workflows, and communication habits. They are like different tools in a craftsman's toolbox. A hammer isn't better than a screwdriver. They serve different primary purposes. Slack, the communication powerhouse. Slack burst onto the scene and revolutionized internal team communication. Its primary strength lies in real-time messaging and facilitating quick, informal conversations. Think of Slack as your digital office water cooler, meeting room, and quick question dispatcher, all rolled into one. Key strengths of Slack: real-time communication and chat. This is Slack's undisputed forte. Its intuitive interface, channels for various topics, projects, departments, social, etc., direct messaging, and robust search capabilities make it incredibly efficient for instant communication. Teams can quickly ask questions, share updates, brainstorm ideas, and maintain a constant flow of information. Ease of use. Slack is exceptionally user-friendly. Most new users can pick up the basics very quickly, making onboarding seamless. This focus on chat means less cognitive load for team members. Integrations. Slack boasts an impressive app directory with thousands of integrations. It excels at connecting with a vast array of third-party tools, including project management software, CRMs, design tools, and more. This allows Slack to act as a central hub for notifications and quick actions from other applications. Informal collaboration and culture building. Slack fosters a sense of community. The use of emojis, GIFs, and dedicated social channels can significantly contribute to team bonding, especially in remote or hybrid environments. Notifications. Highly customizable notification settings ensure users stay informed about relevant updates without being overwhelmed by noise, where Slack may fall short from a PM perspective. Limited native project management. While Slack offers basic features like Slack Connect for external collaboration or simple lists for lightweight task tracking, it is not a project management tool. It lacks core PM functionalities like Gantt charts, detailed task dependencies, resource management, comprehensive workload views, or robust reporting. Context loss in conversations. Important decisions and action items discussed in chat threads can easily get buried in the flow of conversation, making it hard to track commitments and progress over time. Information silos. Without careful management, without clear channel structures and discipline, information can become scattered across various chats, making it difficult to find specific details or understand the full context of a project. ClickUp, the all-in-one productivity hub. ClickUp, on the other hand, positions itself as an all-in-one productivity platform, or the everything app. Its core strength is comprehensive project and task management, with communication and collaboration features integrated directly into the work. Key strengths of ClickUp. Robust project management. This is where ClickUp truly shines. It offers an extensive array of features for planning, organizing, and tracking projects. Multiple views. List, board, Kanban, calendar, Gantt, table, whiteboard, mind map, workload, and more. This allows teams to visualize work in the way that best suits their preferences or the project type. Task management depth. Subtasks, checklists, priorities, custom fields, dependencies, recurring tasks, and detailed task descriptions. Workflow automation. Powerful automation capabilities to streamline repetitive tasks based on triggers and actions, e.g., change status, assign task, send notification, goals and OKRs. Ability to set and track higher-level objectives. Time tracking, built-in time tracking features. Integrated communication. ClickUp aims to keep communication contextualized within the work. Its chat feature is often tied directly to tasks, lists, or projects. This means conversations happen where the work is reducing context switching and ensuring discussions are always relevant to a specific item. Customization and flexibility. ClickUp is highly customizable. You can tailor workflows, statuses, custom fields, and dashboards to perfectly match your team's unique processes and terminology. This adaptability is a significant advantage for diverse teams or complex projects. Centralized workspace. By integrating tasks, documents, docs, whiteboards, and chat into one platform, ClickUp aims to eliminate the need for multiple separate tools, reducing tool sprawl and potentially saving costs. AI capabilities. ClickUp has been integrating AI features, ClickUp Brain, for task creation, summaries, content generation, and more, further enhancing productivity within its ecosystem, where ClickUp may fall short from a PM perspective. Learning curve. With its vast array of features and customization options, ClickUp can feel overwhelming for new users. There's a steeper learning curve compared to Slack. Real-time chat polish. While ClickUp has integrated chat, it generally doesn't offer the same level of polish, immediacy, or fluidity for quick, informal, real-time conversations as Slack. It's more about chat about the task than general team chat. Complexity versus simplicity. For teams that only need basic task management and highly prioritize ease of use, ClickUp's extensive features might feel like overkill. The verdict: it's about purpose and integration. So, is ClickUp better than Slack? If your primary need is real-time, informal team communication and you already have a separate, robust project management system, Slack is likely better. It excels at connecting people quickly and efficiently. If your primary need is comprehensive project and task management, and you want communication to be directly tied to work items within a single platform, ClickUp is likely better. It's built from the ground up for managing projects in detail. The ideal scenario for many teams involves using both. Many businesses leverage Slack for their day-to-day, instant communication and then integrate it with ClickUp. This way, notifications from ClickUp, e.g., task assigned, deadline approaching, can appear in Slack channels, allowing for quick discussions there, while the actual task details and project tracking reside in ClickUp. This provides the best of both worlds: robust project management and fluid communication. As a project management expert, I always advise teams to analyze their core pain points and priorities. Do discussions often get lost? Or do tasks lack clear ownership and tracking? The answers to these questions will guide you to the tool that truly is better for your specific context. Neither is universally superior. Their value is determined by how well they serve your unique operational needs.